Hi everyone, we are live. Hi Meet, how are you
Hello,
doing?
all good, Mike. Drop a hi, guys.
Yeah, say hello in the chat, guys. Thank you for joining us. How are you?
Hi, Mike.
Actually, today we have a beautiful topic for discussion, from my opinion, and because I'm gonna say, if we're talking about implementation, if we're talking about onboarding, the integration is the most hottest topic from this perspective because when we meet with potential client, they're of course interested to get more return clients, more revenue, and so on and so forth. But what everyone don't like, they don't like to spend more time of their people, of their employees, to serve the line. They do not want to make it manual because everyone already want to do everything automated, right? And this is why integrations are so hot topic for almost all the last year. And I want to say we did a great job from my perspective. I'm so proud to tell about that for my team. We did a beautiful integration with Shopify, beautiful integration with Square. A couple of weeks ago, we presented integration with Toast, which is, I want to say, the most popular point of sale for restaurants, coffee shops, and so on and so forth in the North America market. And today, we're gonna present you integration with Clover, which is also one of the most popular POS, but not only in the US, but in North American market in general, and also Clover actively using in Latin America countries as well. And I mean, this will be the big impact and big improvement for the product. And this opportunity, this integration will help you to streamline your onboarding process and connect your clients to this product much faster, better, and for a long time, of course. That's the idea. And yeah, if you have some clients on Clover, please put it on chat. And if you have some questions about that, also welcome to discuss it in the live mode during this webinar. Okay, Amit, what do you think about integrations in general? You are speaking with our clients a lot. What they ask and what the main question about integrations? What do you think about this topic?
I think what I've seen is integration is something that is the least concern right now. It is a concern for for if you are talking about a business that is a franchise or something, then it is something that comes in the mind that which POS we want to integrate it with because it's it's a big business. But when it comes to the very local market, the simple and easiest strategy is to just onboard their clients using the scanner app. That is what I think should be implemented because when it comes to the integration, this market is so huge that uh, if you on the very first client go with the integration, I think you will mess it up, right? So it's like initial process should be to onboard the clients with the very bare minimum integrations, onboard them, and later on maybe if you want something to be integrated on the POS side, then you should go with it because initially if you see the local market, I think they just need either new clients or they need retention tool somehow. POS is something that later on comes, right? When they have the numbers for it. But yes, some of them, talk about Clover, they talk about Toast, they talk about Square as well. But in my scenario, I think 99% of them want it to be standalone.
Hmm. Yeah, I completely agree because from my perspective as well as your meet is better to start from standalone option to give your clients and trying to streamline the trial period with your new clients, because you could set up loyalty and onboard client in even one day during one meeting without any problems. But if you're going to go
Yeah.
from the integration part, you will spend definitely some time to make it happen, to set up everything, set up the rules, discuss the rules, and blah blah blah, and so on and so forth. Integrations, it's a good way to streamline operations after 2 3 months of going standalone mode, when everything is clear, team already familiar with the product, and also you already nail the ideal structure for the loyalty program. The strategy, rewards, notifications, and everything is clear. And you just one thing that you can do is just to streamline all the operations to make it like a hands off for the team, for the local business team.
Yeah.
And then
I
we have
think
a
like what
question from Mike.
yeah, from Mike Bowling.
It's my understanding that native integration in some POS system don't utilize all the different cards BM offers, like only rewards, not stem, for example. Uh, Actually, Mike, what we do right now is that we expanding our integrations with point of sale system. And right now, if we're talking about Clover, we support 3 mechanics with Clover right now. We support 7 mechanics with Square, and we support 3 mechanics with Toast. And what we're gonna do next, we're gonna implement more mechanics and support all loyalty strategies that we have by the end of this year. This is our goal, and this is what we are working on daily basis with our development team. And moreover, next week I hope we will present the new marketplace, brand new thing like Go High Level has. It means you will be able to create your own integration like you want and place it in Boomerangme marketplace for everyone using. And you can use it by yourself as well to onboard your clients for your own integration with your probably your own point of sale system, probably your popular local point of system in point of sale in your local market, and so on. It's a big movement from my perspective, and of course, by default, we will support all 7 mechanics that we have in the product. Basically, we have 8, but it doesn't make any sense to integrate with coupon just think that
Yeah,
with one
I
time
understand.
redemption. But all regular cars we will support by default with this integration marketplace, which we're going to talk about next week. But the next question in this case may be better to use Zapier automation. Mike, also you have this option every time, even though we don't have native integration with some point of sale system right now. You could set up this integration using Zapier, make.com, Publi, Integrately, and so on and so forth, any no code integration platform based on webhooks. And as you know, we are API first company. It means you could do everything with our product under the API. It means you could make this integration by yourself with a couple of hours with any POS system to streamline operation. This is also the good idea, and yeah, it's worth it. Also, what I want to add to that, if you do not want to spend your time, if you don't have this time to make this integration using Zapier, you could hire us and we could make this integration for you and deliver for you in a couple of weeks. All you're going to do is just to leave your integration request in our Google form, and we will contact you as soon as we can about that. This option is always available for everyone. Okay, go ahead and let's talk about Clover integration. Let me please share my screen first. Amit, as usual, I will much appreciate if you will support me with questions from the chat.
Sure.
Okay, my screen should be visible right now, and I'm gonna start from loyalty mechanics that we support for Clover integration. By default, we have 3 mechanics: discount, cashback, and reward cards. Very soon, we plan to add stamps and memberships, but right now, 3 mechanics are available for this integration. So, do not want to spend a lot of time to explain how it works because I guess, and I'm almost 100% sure that you're already familiar with all the mechanics we already have. And I'm gonna start from the rewards card, if you don't mind, because it's most most flexible from my perspective. And with this loyalty mechanic, you could literally cover up to 100% of loyalty ideas that you could implement for your client's business without any problems, basically, because, it's literally you could reiterate and implement McDonald's like loyalty program, Starbucks like loyalty program, Dunkin' Donuts like loyalty program in your client's business in 5 minutes and streamline operations using integration with Clover. So that's the card. You could install this card by the link from here. You could scan the QR code if you want to create a test account with this loyalty card to see how it works right now. And what I'm gonna show you the whole process of integration, how it works. So if we talk about integration, we need to start thinking about the customer onboarding first, how it works. Businesses run, for example, reward loyalty mechanic, print the QR code and place it somewhere in the location, near the cashier zone, on the tables, on the windows, everywhere. Customers come in to the location, scan the QR code, install the loyalty card, and we will automatically send this data to Clover POS site. Clover will know about this customer, and we will make this record in the Clover database as well from the very beginning. And the next thing, what cashiers should do. Actually, I prepared the Clover terminal for this presentation, for this demo today. All they're gonna do is just one simple thing. They need to assign customer to each particular order, to do the lookup, find this customer, assign to the order, and proceed transaction to collect bonus points or redeem some rewards. So I'm in register mode in this Clover terminal right now. I'm gonna create some order for 3 items for $30, for example. I push the button review order, and next I push green button pay. And right now I can see two custom applications added to the Clover app. First of all, it's mail and for order, and the second one is Boomerangme. First of all, we will publish our brand application and brand integration, which name is Boomerangme right now. And a little bit later, we will update this integration and we will publish the gray label version, which will be named like Digital Rewards, Digital Wallet Rewards, DW Rewards. It will be a great label, especially for our white label agencies. So when I push the button Boomerang, the system will automatically sign in with my API key and location unique identifier. It's just one thing that you need to input to set up this integration. And the next screen, you need to look up for a customer. And you have two options how to do that. Using the text input, where you could fill in like a name. For example, I will put my name Mike, and system will show 3 loyalty cards, 3 customers with name of Mike. I can select the first card, for example, and as I can see, it's a discount card with bronze discount level with 1.1% discount for the all order. I can redeem this reward, go in next, and I can see my price right now a little bit lower than before because discount already applied to this order. I can pay by the cash, and the transaction is completed. And information automatically updated in the Clover POS and Boomerangme site. And if we're gonna check transactions, let's see how it looks like. So let me share my screen again. 1 second. So if we're talking about the discount card, we can see that just now we see the new transaction for this customer, October 16th, for my phone number, device Apple Wallet, card template, transaction amount $30, and total collected balance is 1,370 points on the card. Also, in additional to this transaction, we fixed two things. First of all, we logged the visit in additional, and we applied the discount amount, which is 0.33 cents to this transaction. All information is marked here, and also you could download all transactions amount as a report, as an XLS file, to present it to your customer to show how many customers you enrolled in the loyalty program and how many discounts they got from the last month, for example. The same thing, actually, we have with reward card and with the cashback card, and let me show you how it works. So let me stop sharing to make my screen a little bit bigger. Also, let's add some 5 items to make the order for $50. Push the button review order, pay, and the same thing, we're gonna use Boomerangme button to start the loyalty application on Clover side. Also, to look up for a customer, we can use not only the name, we can use the phone number, we can use email, any data point, and also some devices in Clover, like my device, it's Clover Flex 2, name of this particular hardware. This hardware has their own native camera right inside the application. And the side button here, when you will push it, you will see the camera, and you could scan barcode from the card to automatically look up for a customer and assign this customer to transactions. It works like a magic, very fast and very easy to do. Let's try to find customer by the phone number, for example 323, and by just 3 numbers you will find your customer by the database. Let's choose the second loyalty card. This is the reward card, and as you can see right now, this customer already has 2 types of available rewards for redemption. We can choose any one, for example, first, redeem this reward, $20 off coupon for the next purchase, go in next, and yeah, the discount already applied for the order, and transaction is proceed. Mike is asking, does it use QR and barcode? If you're asking Mike about how this native camera scanners works, this is native camera can scans as well as barcode as well as QR code. Doesn't matter for Clover yet. It works in both cases. Thank you for asking this question, because when we're talking about the Toast integration with Toast device, you could scan only QR codes, not the barcodes. For Clover, doesn't matter. Both ways are work. Then asking, does Clover have a built-in loyalty program? And if so, what benefit would a local business get by integrating Clover with Boomerang? Thank you for the great question. And the main difference, first of all, in between of Boomerang and native, any native point of sale integration, is because your customers, I mean local business customers, will install loyalty cards in their devices, and businesses will get access to send them free and unlimited push notifications to communicate with them at the right time with the right topic to get them back more often and often. That's the big difference first. And the second thing, we have segmentation, we have like a lot of internal data about retention by default. The native point of sale reward system, usually it's a simplest thing without actually some ideas how to retain the customers, like built by default to be in the place. That's it, because it should be. But we are thinking about retention a lot, and we show the ROI of implementing this tool, and we show how we can be more effectively than the native integration, of course. That's the main idea behind that. And again, if I tend to say on the webinars and on presentations, loyalty, it's not about the gifts, it's not about rewards, it's about communication at the right time, with the right message, with the right audience to resonate with them and get them back to location again and again. So, um, also, what I want to say about this integration, we're going to update the marketplace in Clover, and this application should be available by the end of this month. It means you will be able to install it without any problems. Just open the Clover terminal, go into the marketplace. Let me show you how it looks like. Right now, new application looks like this loyalty app. This is how we designed it, and after the publication, it will be two options, as I said before: Boomerangme, branded one, and digital wallet rewards, the gray label version of the same integration, which you could use for your white label agency to resell it. So this is basically all I want to show today. If you have any question, thank you for congrats, Feast Marketing. Congrats on another post. Yeah, thank you so much. And thank you for my development team for making this happen. I appreciate this work as well. If you have any questions, please welcome to ask. Let's discuss it. Amit, what do you think about it? How it
I
looks
think
like?
it's great. I think the integration, even if you talk about the toast as well, it was very good. The integration was flawless, and even in this case as well, once we are published on the marketplace, I think it will be very easy for the white label as well to to integrate it with. Yes, Mike, no gift card yet connected.
But you could streamline integration with the gift card using Zapier as well. When new gift card sold on the POS
Yeah,
side, you could deliver it by text
exactly.
message. I already presented it a couple of weeks ago on our webinar, how to set up integration using Zapier. So, good
Which
question
app we need
from,
to download?
yeah. As I said before, both applications like Boomerangme and Digital Wallet Rewards will be available for downloading in Clover App Marketplace by the end of this month. Right now, we're going through the latest verification process with the Marketplace team, and it will be published very soon. On the Clover machine, yes, on the Clover machine, you need to open the Marketplace and find Boomerangme or DW Rewards. Digital Wallet Rewards is a gray label version of this application. When it will be available to download, of course, we will notice you on our community on Facebook and on our community on school.com as well. We will send email blast and we will notice you about it, of course. So this is it. It was so short because it's so simple. It's not too much to speak about it. Right now it's streamlined and yeah, waiting for publication. And after that, guys, welcome to onboard your clients with Clover integration. Ask us any questions, please, anytime. We will be here to support you with everything. And we will be continuing working on adding new loyalty mechanics to each of our native integrations to support everything we can do right now on the backend side. That's the main plan. Thank you so much for joining us today and see you next time, next week, same place, same time. We will discuss new strategies and new features as usual. Thank you so much and take care.
Have a great day.